Hey guys, Donovan here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make fertilizer. Forgot the name for a second. Basically all you're going to need is a tub like this, and after you cut the grass one day, if you see that there's a whole bunch of dead grass laying around, you should pick it all up, put it in the bottom, fill it up with dirt, and every week or so you grab this and shovel it around. And then you wait a couple of months, keep doing it. And every worm you see in your garden, you pick it up, throw it in, and then boom. One day you'll have some nice, good quality dirt just like this. What is that? I hope this video will help you a good bit. And yeah, good luck with your gardening. Bye.